Title Mahmud the Conqueror, the young man who changed the course of history by special correspondent Voice of History, May 29, 1453, a day when the world's history took a new turn. At just 21 years old, Sultan Mahmud II accomplished a feat that Muslims had dreamed of for centuries. On this day, he conquered the Byzantine capital, Castastania, and forever became known as Mahmud the Conqueror. The fulfillment of a great dream, the conquest of Castastania was not merely the capture of city, it was the triumph of faith, determination and knowledge. After the death of his father Sultan Murad II in 1451, Mahmud ascended the throne. Despite his youth, he displayed remarkable strategic brilliance and strong leadership. After 2 years of preparation, powerful, utterly and meticulous planning, the long-awaited day arrived when on May 29, 1453, the gates of Castastania finally fell. An example of humanity and justice. After the victory, Sultan Mahmud demonstrated his noble character by ordering that all inhabitants of the city be granted peace and safety. He proclaimed that no innocent person should be harmed. When he entered the Hagia Sophia, his first act was to prostrate in gratitude. Then he converted it into a mosque, which for the next 5 centuries stood as a symbol of Islamic architecture and spirituality. A patron of knowledge and the arts, Mahmud the Conqueror was not just a warrior, he was a lover of learning, philosophy and art. Historians state that he was fluent in 7 languages and possessed a deep interest in various branches of knowledge. Under his rule, Istanbul became a thriving center of learning and culture. He commissioned the compilation of the famous legal code, the Qanunnameh al-Osman, which later became the foundation of Usmani Kingdom law. The end of an era, the beginning of a new age. With the conquest of Castastania came the end of Byzantine Empire and the dawn of a new era. Historians regard this event as making the end of the Middle Ages and the beginning of the Renaissance. Under Sultan Mahmud's leadership, the Osman Empire rose to become a global superpower. Conclusion: on May 3, 1481, while preparing for another military campaign near Gibbs, Sultan Mahmud passed away, yet his name, legacy and the title the Conqueror remain forever inscribed in the global pages of history. Final thought: Mahmud the Conqueror was not only a great military leader but also a reformer, thinker and patron of learning. His life continues to inspire young people today as a shining example of courage, knowledge and faith. MD Udan News TV Chaudhry Umar Sarwar, social worker Chaudhry Abdul Majid Hanjra, Chaudhry Ali Hashim appreciated this act. This program sponsored by Shaheen Group of Pakistan. We deals with pure honey, best quality of white honey, fitness tonic, Asil Cooks, Desi eggs, Asil Jat Kadahi, Asil White Kadahi, Koil Jat Kadahi and Elevex Beauty Soap, and marriage proposals for all castes. Mobile number 0323478780. You are watching Udan News.